Hi, I'm Derek with Liminal. In this video, I'll show you the product comparison matrix, part of our expanded market taxonomy released in July 2026. This view will show you how products stack up against everything that a buyer's use case actually requires in order to see coverage and spot gaps at a glance. Say you're researching the market for a use case, maybe to shortlist vendors or size up your competition. You don't want just a list of everyone who claims to be here. You want to see capability by capability which products actually deliver. In this example, I've chosen one of the hundreds of use cases within Liminal's Use Case Explorer. I clicked to the Products tab to view this comparison matrix. A quick aside on how Liminal data is structured, since it's what makes this matrix work. This article explains this well, and we'll link it in the description. There are two sides to Liminal's data to help you understand the vendor landscape on the supply side, and domains and use cases on the demand side to understand what buyers care about. In the product comparison matrix, we'll be looking at the product capabilities, how those roll to solutions, and who are the vendors that have the greatest coverage within a use case. All right, let's jump back to our matrix. Down the left side are products competing in this use case. Across the top are the vendor solutions that Liminal tracks in this market. Each cell shows whether that product satisfies that capability. This is verified by internal Liminal experts. Each capability is marked as either necessary for this use case, highly valuable, or a niche capability. These rankings come from Liminal surveys to buyers in this use case. So this ranking is buyer demand driven. I've placed a couple of top vendors here in the comparison set. Let me add a couple more. This will bring them to the top for easy comparison. Scanning the vendors within my comparison set, I can see which have buyer necessary capabilities and where coverage gaps exist. Clicking on one of these solution cells, I can expand to see the named product capabilities, and I can sort by the capabilities that I care about, particularly useful for niche capabilities or best-in-breed point solutions. This toggle allows me to flip between an aggregate company view or individual product views. Clicking on any product name opens a quick peek view to see other use cases that this product covers, similar products, and allow me to jump to this product's page for more details. So that's the product comparison matrix. Line products up against everything a use case requires, see coverage and gaps in one view, save vendors to a team space for later analysis, or build battle cards within our GTM. This is one of 3 videos on the July 2026 release. Be sure to check out the other 2 in this series. The use case visualizer shows you how your product capabilities map directly to buyer demand, and the Liminal landscape gives you the supply side solution segment view of the entire market.